All right, so in this example, we're still doing this idea of the transformations, but you can't kind of cheat your way, or I don't want to say cheat, because GeoGebra is not going to help you here, is what I'm trying to say. And that this is a, you'll see this problem a couple times in the homework. You might see it on the test. So we're going to say, okay, we've got some function f of x, and all we know about the function is that it has the 0.74 on it. Okay, so whatever kind of function, but it has that one point. So if I do the graph y equals f of x minus 5, what point do we know has to be on that graph? So the first question is, well, what kind of transformation is this? The inside change, right? And we're moving, in this case, to the left or the right. We are going right 5 units. So how can we figure out where what point we know is on the graph? Well, we're going to start with 7, 4. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to move this label up a little bit. Because that all what we know is that that point is going to move right 5 units, right? So what point is 5 units to the right of 7, 4? I think that's going to be 12, 4, right? 7 plus 5 is going to be 12. All right, now if we go back to the original 7, 4, and we say, okay, well, what point is on the graph of y equals f of x minus 6? And we're going to say, okay, well, I know that that's going to make us go down 6 units. So we've got 7, 4, and we're going down. This is obviously not to scale, 6 units. So our x location is staying the same. Our y location, we were at 4. 4 minus 6 is -2. So we are at 7, -2. And then what happens if we've got two of these together, right? We've got f of x plus 2, so that's going to go 2 units to the left and 5 units up. So we're going to go, we're going to start at 7, 4. We're going to go, so this is just kind of like following directions, right? We're going to go 2 blocks to the left, maybe. And so that's going to make us end up at x equals 5. But we're also, maybe I should make this a dotted line. And we're also going to go up 4, we're going to go up 5. So we're going to end up over, we're just going to make it above here. All right, so this is a plus 5. We're going that way. So we're going to end up, let's see, 7 minus 2, that's going to have us at x equals 5. And then we're at y equals 4, we're going to go up. So we're going to end up at 5, 9. All right. The next ones, I'm going to just go ahead and make a separate video because it goes kind of the opposite way, where we're going to create a formula that fits a set of criteria.